Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting materials and measuring precisely. Cut nylon to length, mark the collar overlap and clip positions. Once done, fold ends twice to prevent fray, and use a lighter or fray sealant to secure fibers. Make your first seam near the buckle point so the hardware lines up. This establishes durable anchor points. You'll work faster and avoid rework if you confirm measurements now, because accuracy saves time and makes equipment safer for your dog. You now assemble the core pieces: buckle, D-ring, and swivel clip. Start with box stitches at every high-stress junction, sew slowly and overlap stitches for redundancy. Once the D-ring is in place, stitch a short reinforcing strap behind it to spread load. For handles, fold the strap into a loop and stitch both edges, finishing with a bar tack for impact resistance. Make sure seams are neat and hardware can move freely. Sloppy stitching concentrates stress and causes premature failure. You finish by trimming and sealing all raw edges, then add a protective glue bead to exposed seams. Once cured, perform a static load test. Pull about 3 times the normal force you expect during training. Watch for stitch slippage or hardware flex. If something fails, restitch with a heavier thread or reposition the D-ring to reduce leverage. This is the key troubleshooting tip. Finally, note care instructions and expected load so you and others use the gear safely and confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.